Hey guys, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to my channel Artistic Via. In today's tutorial, I will let you know that how you can import and download 3D models from TurboSquid. In previous tutorial, I already have told you that how you can do this, but in this tutorial, you can speed up your practice. But for that purpose, you have to watch my videos regularly. So let's start. Open your TurboSquid website and log in your account. In this account, I have already downloaded these 4 3D models. So let's suppose today I will work on this and this model. Just click this colored low poly girl and I will click on show all, and I will download GirlSit OBJ. And I will download this Polymesh Blender as well, and its textures zip as well. This one is already done, so let's work with it. Open your Blender, go to File, Import, open OBJ, go to Downloads, GirlSit OBJ and import it. The size of this model is already so big, so you can press S. I think this is good. Now click this model, go to material and go to base color, or wait a second. I think I have only one. Open. GirlSit, and here you can download GirlSit FBX file, because this file do not exist any kind of textures or materials. I will download this one. FBX format, and I will go to File, Import and FBX. There you go. This file is just completed along with the textures and materials on it. I hope this will help you out. Thank you for your time. Take care. Bye.